Well, I want to, on behalf of, my name is Right Honorable Evans Bapakabiaye Nimubofori BP. Bapakabiaye Nimubofori simply means nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows that today Fubara will be a governor. God has made it so. I'm here to represent the Speaker of Rivers State House of Assembly, Right Honorable our governor is a man of few words. And Edison, whom I represent, has asked me to tell you that you are the first in Rivers State to publicly declare support for SIM. We have 23 local government areas. We are all supporting SIM. I am an unrepented supporter of SIM. And I do believe that everybody in this hall also people have been simplified. If you're not simplified, there's no way you will come and hear from Chief Mike Amakri, because he accepts the concept. You believe also in the theory. That's why you are here to listen to the declaration made by Chief Mike Amakri. So, not only come here to declare, we have to put it into practice. How do we do it? By going to meet those people who are still on the fence. Let me tell you one thing. In Esther 4:16, Esther told her uncle Mordecai, go, gather everybody, let them be fasting for 3 days and 3 nights, while I, Esther, will go and tell the king, if I die, I die. I perish, I perish. And Esther went and she conquered. There's no need for you to be on the fence. That is decision. You have taken the decision. Whether you die, you die. You perish, you perish. That I must work with sin. I must support sin. It's a decision. It's a decision. I think we have seen other people rule. Let us also watch and see how our brother will rule us. Why not we'll go home and talk to our people to truly give the whole of Andoni support to SIM. For the 4 years it's secured, they cannot do anything, nothing. The 4 years is secured. SIM last 2 weeks said, Governor SIM, said, in his quiet nature, he's not losing any focus in giving the developmental project he promised the people. He promised in the campaign, during the campaigns, that he was going to give more development to the people. He said does not lose focus despite their distractions. He still have the focus to ensure that he gives the people what he promised. Just 2 days ago, or yesterday, according to Chris Fambone, who everybody knows, he said, a he-goat that want to sleep in 2 double houses, he will end up sleeping outside. So it will be better for you to come out instead of to sleep outside. Come inside and sleep in this house. The house is SIM, Fubara's family house. It's a big family house that will accommodate everybody. This family and this boat can accommodate everybody. Amen. There's no need for you to look for the woman you are looking for. The woman is not there. You don't know that she's also looking for another man. Yeah, this house will accommodate you. Come in, will accommodate. There's no need for you to be on the fence. Yes. are saying that this is the structure you are talking about. It's not the structure. It's not the structure. What structure are you talking about? Evans Bapagani, I am one of the original structure of the Abuja man.
That is true. That is true. That is true.
Don't you know? 9 July 2013. Who did it?
You.
Okay, what is the structure? Is there anything more than that structure? The structure is you. The structure is me. The structure is we, not there. Everything you talk, I. It's we are talking about, not I. We are talking about we, not I. You made everybody. Who made you? You made everybody. Who made you then? It came from God. Nobody made you. So the structure, you are the structure. That's why we normally come to you in every election. We'll come to you, beg you to vote us that will come back to give you development. Isn't it? So you are the structure. This man is one strong man. I know him, but I didn't know he's that strong. He said does not want to be on the fence. He has come. That's him. Family to accept him. We have accepted you. We have accepted you, and I can assure you that you will not regret joining this family. You will never regret. All of you, the supporters of Chief Mike and Chief Mike himself, to the family. This is not tough. We are not campaigning. Time will come, we'll tell Rivers people how it all started. We'll tell Rivers people, and they will hear. Whether they like it or not, Sim is our leader. He's our governor and also our leader. The PDP constitution said, governor of a state is the leader of the party. While the other people are the godfathers. They are godfathers. The governor is the leader of the party. So he is the leader of the structure, isn't it? Yeah. Go and look for your structure. The owner of the structure has taken it. We have a lot to talk about. This one is to receive you. If not, we'll pour here. We are dead to fear. We are dead to fear. When you say we'll kill you, we say, death, come my back. We are dead to fear. They knows. So, I want to say this. One thing, Chief, one thing is to declare. Another one is to do the working. You have to make it for people to seem to know, or the family to know, that you are truly here in the family to perform as you used to perform in SDP. You were once a warrior in the SDP who want to come and join here and worry the other people. So now that you are here, I know that my friend will have rest of mind. Mama will have rest of mind. You have to join them so that Anthony as a whole will be simplified. Mr. Speaker also said I should tell you, as a community, as a job people, talk to your son, talk to all your brothers that are in position. Let them know that they are from this tribe. You should not use your hand to kill yourself. Don't you kill yourself by going to sign against your son? Are you not killing yourself? By going to sign against your brother, are you not killing yourself? You should talk to him to have a rethink. Let them have a rethink and come back and join people so that work together. Honestly, I want to repeat again. You are the first in River State to give a total support publicly to SIM. And I'm going to deliver your message, your solidarity speeches. Some of the speeches are like sending me a message to where I'm coming from. I will deliver them. In every group, there must be leaders. Isn't it? See these people as your leaders, the people on the table. Not everybody must pass through Jesus Christ to see God. Not everybody see God at a time. The time of Moses has gone. He now came to Elisha. After Elisha came down to John the Baptist. I was once a John the Baptist to someone. I came. I cleared the way for other people to come in. Now you too, you have done another people to come in. Why not support him? Thank you for your attention.
Round of applause.